Hello, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you for tuning in today. I appreciate you. In today's video, I want to share with you how I go about creating a stencil paper size canvas within Procreate. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to highly encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I do also have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate your support over there as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. If you enjoy my YouTube channel and find my content helpful, consider becoming a Patreon or sending over a super thanks, as I would truly appreciate your support. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. Right here I have a standard Spirit stencil paper sheet. This is 8.5 by 11, so 8.5 by 11 right here. This is the grain of the Spirit stencil paper that I am using. I need to create a canvas size within Procreate that's going to reflect my stencil and print accurately on this paper right here. This is to help me determine the correct sizing that I need, so that way I can kind of eyeball everything with accuracy. Knowing that my canvas size is 8.5 by 11, I'm going to take that information into Procreate. I'm going to start by tapping this little plus right here in the session screen. So you have to be outside of one of your sessions. You tap the little plus and then this menu comes up. What you can do is you can tap this little plus icon right here, and then that's going to bring up a custom canvas menu. From this point, you want to switch from pixels or whatever yours is selected to inches, since we know that the Spirit stencil paper is 8.5 by 11 inches. What I'm going to do is then input that information right here. So we're now transferring that information into Procreate, so that way we can have a canvas that reflects this right here. So I'm going to type in width of 8.5, and then I'm going to type in the height of 11 inches. And keep in mind, we are in the inches format here. From here, what I'm going to want to do is select Create. And as you can see, it brought me up a canvas that is the same size as this Spirit stencil paper. So what that means is any design that I put on here is going to print out almost identical to what is on this canvas right here. So allow me to demonstrate here with you all. I'm going to paste a design right here that I'm going to print. So this is a mandala that I made right here, and you can see that it's taking up the majority of the entire page. What I want to do is just make some final last adjustments here and try to put it in the middle here as best I can. I'm going to leave it the same size, as it almost fills out the entire page, or pretty much it does. So I'm going to print this design right here, and then we're going to see how accurate it actually prints to an actual size stencil paper right here. From here, I'm going to get the Spirit stencil paper ready for print, and I want to print it here with you all, so that way we can see it print close up and get a good idea of the accuracy here. So we pasted the image into the canvas that we just created. Using that canvas, we are going to print this design, and we're going to see how accurate it is to the canvas that we printed from. Let's take a look at what we have here. So you can see that it is coming up to just about the top of the Spirit stencil paper. There's just very little space left, like less than a finger here worth of space. And it does look as though it is going from side to side without cutting off either, which is fantastic. This design is actually coming out very, very nice. So here we have the design. Let me put them side by side so we can do a comparison here. Here is the canvas in a digital form, and this is the canvas printed onto an actual Spirit stencil paper. Allow me to flip this layer right here so that way we can get a better idea. So you can see though that this design right here prints very accurate in size to what this canvas is telling us. This is how I go about sizing my designs to the appropriate size. So it really all depends on what tattoo I'm going to be doing. If I'm going to be doing a smaller design, if I'm going to be doing a larger design, this is the canvas size that I always use because this is the Spirit stencil paper that I use dominantly right here. Here's a side-by-side comparison. This is the digital version over here on the right, and on the left is the Spirit stencil paper, and you can see that my canvas printed accurately to the size of the stencil paper that I am using. The idea is to get the dimensions of the stencil paper that you are using and input them into Procreate correctly using the inches format and the correct dimensions. That's how I go about doing it. Should you have any questions at all, please, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support over there as well. If you enjoy my channel and find my content helpful, consider becoming a Patreon or sending over a super thanks, as I would greatly appreciate your support. I appreciate your time. Thank you for tuning in. You have a great day.